be a mob.
What the hell is wrong with you? You can't just kill everyone you don't trust.
Yes, I can.
Willing to let her die 2 days ago? Nothing has changed. I have. Can we talk in private?
This way.
This way.
What you did tonight will haunt you until the end of your days.
You're still haunted by custom.
Weakness.
You say having feelings makes me weak, but you're weak for hiding from them. I might be a hypocrite, Lexa, but you're a liar.
Get out.
I know you fell for them, but you let them burn.
Not you.
Well, if you care about me, then
He dies for you.
that's enough. I think that killing the shooter will make you feel better, but it won't. Did that make you feel better? You can't just kill someone to make yourself feel better.
She won't say anything.
The dead will be avenged!
She's a child. They're being led by a child. So are we.
If this truce doesn't hold,
I killed Finn for nothing. I lost someone special to me, too.
I'm sorry.
The Sky People march with us now.
Clarke. Let us drink together.
It would be my pleasure. It's taking too long. I'm not ready.
Takes as long as it takes.
This is wrong.
You're wrong. I was wrong about you, Clarke.
Then prove it.
I can prove it. One of your people tried to kill you, Lexa.
Idag vi finga out, Gustus. Run I really walk.